That's DJ's. It's not yours. It's not yours. Get Tisha. Give it to him. Over here. This is yours. Tisha, there's your milk. Tisha, your milk is right there. Here, DJ. Here, DJ, you can have this one. Have that one. You can have that one. Drink it. Drink it. Nobody wants this one? What's wrong with it? Drink it, DJ. What's wrong with it? Drink it. Drink it. Fine. No more. No more then. Where's your milk? Where's your milk then? Hmm? No. No more milk. No more. Where's your mom? Where's your mom? No, don't touch that one, I said. Now, where's your mom? Look, DJ, look. Look, Tisha has your mom. Tisha has your drink. Look, Tisha, get your milk. You gonna let her finish it for you?
Huh?
You gonna let her finish it for you? Huh? Yeah? You mean it? Oh, you okay? Tisha, that's yours, that's why.
It's always good practice just to bury your head like this. I've been in the mat and stay active.
Night night. Close your eyes then. Close your eyes.
Still wriggling around.
Close your eyes.
But you know, stay like this. You can eat straight like that.
Where's your milk? That's not your milk you're drinking. It's your milk down there.